So in terms of the permafrost map, it's a little bit twisted image. This is a true photo view, but it pretty much covers the same areas where you just saw the snow cover. And a little bit about permafrost in terms of distribution. We speak of continuous permafrost in the most northern part, with more than 90% of the land area covered by permafrost. Typically, it's only the lakes, the bigger lakes, the rivers that are permafrost free. And the next zone further south, discontinuous permafrost. Still a lot of permafrost cover, but you'll see effects, for instance, of slope and aspect. So if you have a south-facing slope in the discontinuous permafrost zone, you might actually run into the situation where there is no permafrost, and that's very typical around Fairbanks. If you drive just a little bit north and you look around you, you can just tell by the vegetation whether a slope is facing to the north or to the south. Very often you see deciduous trees on the south-facing slopes and black spruce forests facing the north. Then there are technically two more categories that are not often used, the sporadic and the isolated. I have learned a few years ago that there is a little patch somewhere close to Anchorage that would be considered isolated, and nobody really knows exactly what it is, but it might be a piece of ice from an old glacier somewhere that is buried. That would be considered isolated.